guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this lovely makeup look right here. It's a very glam, glittery makeup look. It's perfect for the date night if you ask me. But yeah, this is a lovely silver glittery eyeshadow look with really good skin and a nice red lip. So yeah, if you all want to see how I get this look done, then please keep watching. So I've already moisturized my face. Now let's prime it. Now for primer, I'm going to be using this primer right here. Okay, so now moving on to foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using this Loreal Infallible foundation. And I am in the shade 108, that's called Caramel Beige, and this actually is a really good foundation, lightweight and full coverage. Now taking a damp beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend everything out. So next we're going to move on to the concealer. For the concealer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible concealer and I'm in the shade 314. I'm slightly just going to put it on the highlights of my face. It's a full coverage concealer, so you don't need a lot of this. A little goes a long way. Going back in with that damp beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend everything out. Now the next step is that I'm gonna use some lip stain and I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks, making sure to blend it with the damp beauty blender. Taking a little bit and applying it on my nose as well. Now to set my face, I'm gonna go in with this setting spray and I'm just gonna set all my cream products in place. I'm just gonna take this damp beauty blender and press the setting spray in. Now moving in with a setting powder, I'm just gonna set my face with the damp beauty blender. Now that my face is all powdered, I'm gonna go into this powder right here. That is the Pond's Natural Glow pink powder basically. And I've been loving this powder to bake my entire face because it gives a really nice, bright and natural finish. Using a smaller beauty blender right here and I'm just gonna bake my face. I've been actually really loving these Pond's powders. I've got both of the shades, but unfortunately the more foundation colored one, the normal colored one, is a little too dark for me. It makes me look really dark. So yeah, I avoid using that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that entire packet of powder, but let's see. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with this eyebrow gel. It's from Wet n Wild. Gonna repeat the same steps of this eye on this eye. Now that the eyebrows are done, I'm gonna just go in and dust off all this bake. Taking a fluffy brush with some setting powder in it and I'm just gonna dust off everything. And I'm trying to go in circular motion so that I get a nice blurry finish. Now that all the bake is dusted, moving on to blush, I'm gonna go in with this blush right here. Now getting that little bit of blush on the tip of my nose. Now moving on to contour. For contour, I'm going to use this product right here, and I'm going to use that same brush that I used for blush. Now to contour my nose, I'm going to take a tinier brush like this, and I'm just going to line it across my nose. Now that our contour and blush is done, we are going to move into the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to go into that same blush and I'm just going to put it in the crease so that there's a more of a symmetry going on. So that it's the same color, so like the blush is coming from within. As you can see, I went in with a fluffy brush. Gonna repeat the same on this eye as well. Now once again, to apply the colors in the crease, I'm gonna be using this palette right here. Taking the same fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in the crease. Doing the same on the other eye. Try to deposit the majority of the color on the outer corners, because that's where we want it the darkest. Then you can blend on the inner. Now I'm going to go into the darker brown and I'm just going to place it on the outer corners. Now going with a flat brush, I'm gonna just apply some silver on the eyelids. I'm gonna be applying this silver eyeshadow shade. I'm gonna carefully apply this only on the lids. This will act like a base for our glitter. Now I'm going to go in with this tiny brush right here and I'm going to highlight my inner corners. Now before going into glitter, I heard that you should go in with your eyeliner because lining your eyes over glitter is really a task. So yeah, I'm gonna line my eyes with this eyeliner right here and I'm just gonna make a basic wing. This is actually a new eyeliner that I'm trying out. This eyeliner is from Plum. I actually like it, but the wand is too restricted. It restricts me too much. It's too like it's very rigid. Okay, now that our eyes are lined, I'm gonna go in with the glitter. Gonna be using this glitter from Beauty Glazed. Lightly gonna take my silver glitter and press it on the eyes. Now moving on to the lower lash line, I'm gonna go into the same browns that I used in my crease, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. Now I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner and just tight line my eyes. Now going in with this Maybelline mascara, and I'm just gonna apply mascara to my eyes. I'm not gonna be applying a lot because I'm gonna go in with some false eyelashes. Now that my mascara is done, I'm just gonna put some falsies and be right back. Alright, now that my eyes are done, let's go in with some highlighter. Now taking a tiny brush, and I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone. Gonna also highlight my nose. Now going in with my lip tint, I'm gonna just tint my lips. This will ensure that I have a long lasting lippy. Now going in with a dark brown lip liner, I'm just gonna line my lips. Now to get the perfect red, I'm gonna go into this liquid lipstick right here. It's a nice dark red lipstick. Now I'm gonna go into this lipstick right here, and I'm just gonna place it at the center of my lips. Slightly gonna take that highlighter and put it on my Cupid's bow. And finally I'm gonna take some setting spray and set my face. And I'll be right back for the final reveal. And this is the final look. If you can see, this look is very lightweight. It's not a lot of products, to be honest, and it's very well put, and I think anyone can do it. It's really simple and achievable. So yeah, if you like this video and if you like this tutorial, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.
I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough.